Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to one of my surprising, astonishing, shocking, stunning video. Yes guys. On Friday, most of the time, if you appear in IELTS exam on Saturday, so after 2 weeks on Friday, you get your result. Many students become happy to see their result because the result starts from listening. Reading, they are happy. Listening, okay, good. Reading, okay, fine. But when, for example, listening 6.5, reading 6 band, but when they reach writing, they see a 5 over there. That 5 can be 5.5 or that 5 can be 5 only, and in speaking also, right? And some students are so skeptical, they think that deliberately they give low band score in writing and speaking because they know somehow that this candidate needs 6 band, so they give 5.5. They know somehow this candidate needs 7 band each, they give 6.5 in one module, and they know somehow that this candidate as per the age and requirement needs 8777, so they will give 6.5 somewhere so that they become their regular clients, okay, regular customers. But anyways, this is what people say. This is not my belief. Anyways, this student of mine appeared in IELTS. He belongs to India, and when he got his result was listening 6.5, reading 6, and writing 5.5. Now when you get 5.5 in one module, you are not eligible for Canadian education, Australian education, even for UK, right, New Zealand and many other countries. You cannot apply for that. In that case, most of the students, they take IELTS test again, and next time what happens? Where they got 5.5, they get 6.5, but where they got 6.5, they get 5.5. Okay, this is IELTS, and I just recommend IELTS. I suggest Cambridge University that they should give them the clubbing option. Clubbing option means if your two certificates meet your required band score, meet your required band criteria, these two certificates should be accepted. This is called clubbing, number one. Number two, Cambridge University should introduce one module exam as well. For example, you got your desired band in 3 modules. In speaking, you got less than that. You should be allowed to take only speaking test. You should be allowed to take only writing test. I think, okay, if they cannot do it with listening and reading, they must do it with speaking and writing. This will give them more revenue. Believe you me, Cambridge, this will give you more revenue, and you can charge like half amount. For example, if you charge for the test, for example, $5, for one module you can charge $200, $150, something like this, and the rest of the result should be same in the next TRF. This is my suggestion. If you want to increase your business, you must do that. So this student of mine appeared, got writing band 5.5, speaking was 6. Now he had watched my video and he decided to go for an option that is called EOR, Inquiry on Results. Inquiry on Results means I'm not happy with my results, reevaluate me, give my writing to a senior examiner, and I will pay for that. The last part is very painful. You got to pay for that, and there is certain amount that you have to pay for EOR. So, and which is equal to 60% or of more than your IELTS fee. And if your band score change means it will increase. The band score will never decrease, okay? Then your money will come back. They'll repay the money, they'll refund the money. But if the band score doesn't change, then your money is gone. Be careful. So this student had the courage and determination. So he applied for EOR, and after EOR, he applied EOR on all 4 modules, by the way. If you go for EOR on one module, same fee. You go for 4 modules, same fee, and he decided to go for all 4 modules. His band score did not change in listening, reading, and speaking, but his band score changed in writing. Guys, now guess, from 5.5 to 6.5. Oh my God. 5.5 to 6.5, one band. Okay, so from examiner to examiner, band score decreases by one band. right? One senior examiner is giving 6.5. One junior examiner is giving 5.5. So that junior examiner should be given proper training, or that junior examiner should be fired. That you are playing with the futures of so many people from the third world countries, huh? I mean, they should be ashamed of themselves, right? They don't know how people are paying money for IELTS, how they are paying for IELTS fee. Every year they are increasing IELTS fee as well. They have no idea how people are paying the money. And then there you have these type of issues with your examiners, and the test result depends on your examiner. Candidates are at the mercy of examiners. This is very, very bad. Where is the integrity of IELTS test? I think without EUR, Cambridge should apply EUR on all the candidates' results on writing and speaking. And they should hire only and only expert examiners. And by the way, one more thing, when one examiner is found guilty, that examiner should be fired from the job. You don't know the consequences of this thing. Imagine after 10 years, if a student who took IELTS test 5.5 in one module, he left all the plan, he gave up the idea of going to a foreign country, after 10 years his life will be same, right? And if he would have achieved 6 band, he would have gone to Canada, his life would be different. So Cambridge should take these things into consideration. They always talk about integrity of IELTS test and quality checks and all that. You should look into these matters as well, I suggest you. Otherwise, IELTS will not be reliable. Your 30 years effort, I know IELTS came in 1990 somewhere. So your 30, 40 years effort will go in vain, and people will not even look at IELTS. Anyways, thank you very much. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.